In this video, we're going to find the mode. If you're revising, you can pause the video and have a go at examples 10, 11 and 12. So the mode is simply the most common value or the most frequent. So for example, if you have to find the mode of these values, you just look out for the one which occurs the most. So you can see there we've got a lot of 5s. So your answer is that the mode is 5. I'll do these here, but if you're in a cover class or doing this for revision, you have got questions 10, 11, 12. Pause the video first, and then I'll go through them now in a second. Okay, question 10. I can see here that there's two 10s here, so the most common, the mode is 10. Number 11, we've got, what have we got here? We've got two 5s. We've also got two 4s. We've also got two 3s. No, we don't. We've got three 3s. So 3 wins. The mode is 3. And this one, the most frequent, we've got a couple of 5s here, don't we? We've got two 5s, but we've also got two 4s. Nothing else repeats. Sometimes people would argue that there's no mode, but you could also say that there are two modal values, 4 and 5. Finally, we've got a wee rhyme here. Feel free to sing it out loud to help you remember what the median, mean, mode and range is, because if you get them mixed up, you're going to get no marks. So hey did little, the median is the middle. You add then divide for the mean. The mode is the one that appears the most, and the range is the difference between.